and slide my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the baby, and slide my way. I play to catch a baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me.
Hi all, I am Simone C. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. In today's video, you all, we have this gorgeous, okay, 99J baby. It's the color for me, okay? And it is a gorgeous deep wave texture by the company Ashimary Hair. I would love to thank Ashimary Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit and for sponsoring today's video, you all. If you all are interested to see how I got this gorgeous install straight out of the box, straight out of the packaging from start to finish, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue, that's what she say. She look good, she a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average, I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the cap torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit, got a quick lit on a crash course from the tattered garment to the tabloid. Spoke how I live it into existence. Might be ahead of myself, but the bank account did jump up a couple figures. Feel like nobody could with us. I'm a flight risk. I play among the stars in the Hollywood Hill. The space station couldn't even get in touch with me. Praise faith that I stuck with it. Wave.
No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous, like I don't show my face as I'm jumping on the stage, like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a favorite. She ain't told no lie, she love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end, pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate jumping like you don't sleep well. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's madness. Squad with me, God cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of slums with the words on the page. Now everything is straight. I've been on a wave where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing.
Alright, you all, so it's been a couple of minutes. The hair has, pretty much completely dried. Let's take off the, elastic band and see what we have. Ooh, everything looks really good. Look at that lace, you all. You can barely tell. This looks like my natural hair. I discovered something new, piking shears or piking scissors, where the edges are kind of like serrated, so that when you cut your lace, you all, you won't have that straight, kind of cut. You need some type of jagged type of edge so that it's like undetectable. And I think, I did a really good job with that today. Super duper excited. So let's go in now and create a little bit of baby hairs in the front. taking some Gorilla Snot gel. Okay, that's one side, super pretty. That looks so good with the 2 swoops of baby hair. So now we're gonna add some foundation down the parts, just to make everything look a little bit more realistic. And a little bit on the lace as well. So again, this is the hair completely dry. It's so gorgeous, you all. And of course, you know with curly hair, water wave hair, the more you play with it, the bigger it gets. So, you know, you have a choice of how you can wear this hair. Super duper pretty. The color is perfect for fall. It is perfect for this fall and winter season. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more water just to, you know, activate the gel and the products that I put in it. So again, this hair is 99J. It is a deep wave texture. The lace frontal is 13x4 ear to ear transparent lace, you all, so perfect. It is 22 inches long and 180% density. I'll be sure to leave the link to this unit down below in the description box at your fingertips for your convenience. And I would love to thank Ashimary Hair so much for sending me this gorgeous unit again today, you all, and for sponsoring today's video. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.